In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple weekly timesheet in Google Sheets. Stop tracking your hours on scraps of paper. I'll show you how to build a clean, professional weekly timesheet that does the math for you and stays consistent from week to week. Start with a blank sheet and set up a simple 4-column table. In the first row, type day, clock in, clock out, and total. These are your headers, so select that row and make the text bold to keep things clear and readable at a glance. Down the day column, list the days you work for the week, like Monday through Friday, or whatever your schedule looks like. To make sure dates are entered correctly, set the day column to accept only valid dates. This keeps typos from sneaking in and helps you quickly select the right work dates. While you're tidying, remove any extra columns and rows you don't need around the table so the focus stays on this single work week. For easy tracking later, rename the Sheet tab with the month and week, like Jan Week 2, so you can find it quickly. Next, format your input cells so Sheets treats them as times, not plain numbers. Highlight the clock in and clock out columns, go to Format, and choose time. This ensures entries like 8 o'clock a.m. and 4:30 p.m. behave as true time values and your calculations stay accurate. Now, let's calculate your hours. In the first total cell, type an equals sign, click the clock out cell, subtract the clock, in cell, and then multiply the result by 24. Your formula will look like this structure. Clock out minus clock in times 420. Multiplying by 24 converts the time difference into a usable number of hours. Press enter, and you'll see your hours for that day. If you want your totals as decimals that are ready for payroll, highlight the total column and change the format to number. Now, a shift of 8 hours and 30 minutes will display as 850, which is typically what you need to multiply by your hourly wage. This format makes weekly summaries and pay calculations much simpler. Finally, drag that formula down through the rest of your workdays so every row calculates automatically. That's it. Your weekly timesheet is ready, neat, and reliable. If your schedule changes, just update the dates and times, and the totals will follow. Thanks for watching, and hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tutorials.